In today's video, I'm going to teach you how good Stitch Fix is. To evaluate Stitch Fix properly, the best approach is to actually go through the experience from start to finish and pay attention to how well the service matches your needs. Start by opening the official Stitch Fix website and selecting Get Started or Take Your Style quiz. From there, create your account by choosing Sign Up or use one of the available sign-in options if you prefer a faster setup. Next, complete the style quiz carefully. This is one of the most important parts of the process because your answers shape your personalized style profile. You'll be asked for things like clothing sizes, fit preferences, style choices, lifestyle details, and your budget. Try to be as accurate as possible here because the quality of your recommendations depends heavily on the information you provide. Once the quiz is finished, review your style profile. Double check that your sizes, preferred fits, and style selections actually reflect what you want. If anything feels off, update it before moving on. After that, order your first fix by choosing when you want it delivered. You can schedule deliveries or request one on demand, which is helpful if you don't want an ongoing subscription. Then add your shipping and billing information, review everything, and continue. Before your stylist prepares your fix, add a note explaining what you're looking for. This can be something specific, like workwear, vacation outfits, jeans, or certain colors. A clear note gives the stylist more direction and can improve the results. After scheduling, you may receive a fix preview with 10 curated items. Review those options and choose Add to Fix for the pieces you like or decline the ones you don't want. Be sure to submit your selections within the preview window so your preferences are reflected. Once your fix arrives, try everything on and evaluate each piece for fit, comfort, quality, and style. It also helps to compare the items with clothes you already own, so you can tell whether they really work for your wardrobe. Keep the items you genuinely like and return anything that doesn't fit or feel right. Free shipping and returns make this part easier. Afterward, give detailed feedback on each item. Say what you liked, what you didn't, and why. This helps improve future selections. You should also check the pricing closely. The standard styling fee is currently $20 per shipment, and it applies toward items you buy from that fix. Keeping 5 or more items currently gives you a 20% discount. You can also use Style Shuffle to rate clothing with thumbs up or thumbs down, which helps improve recommendations over time. Finally, decide how good Stitch Fix is by judging style accuracy, fit, clothing quality, price, variety, personalization, convenience, and how useful the stylist feedback feels for your overall experience.